Welcome guys, this is Claudette with Miss Puff Creative Corner. I'm just coming on to share with you some DIY nail wraps. I did a haul from Temu and I had gotten some nail wraps. And this is a set right here that I got from Temu. These were just 79 cents. And I want to say guys, I mean, it worked pretty good. It worked. This hair has been on for like about 2 weeks. And I did put a top coat on this, a quick time drying top coat, and it kind of shrink it back. So I have to find out what's a good top coat for nail wrap. So if you guys are, a good top coat for nail wraps, just hit in the description down below. I wanted to try something different than the gel or the dip because I wanted to see if this would be better, much healthier for my nails. And sometimes you want your nails to look nice and not for the polish to chip. So these work really nicely. Like I said, I got this kit from Temu. I think they were 79 cents. So you got like, I think it was 14 pieces in here. I still have left over, and it came with the little file in here. So one of my crafty little friends over on Randomly Rhonda, I saw her nails and I was like, I commented on her nails, and then I think she said she did her nails, got the wraps from Lily and Fox. So I said, let me go ahead and check out Lily and Fox. And I went ahead and ordered some, and they had free shipping, and they were relatively inexpensive. These were on sale and they were like $2.99 each. And this is how it came. Lily and Fox, cute. And this is how the wrapping came. Look at this little paper. She created a little fox. Isn't that adorable? Then she gave me a little note right here. Hey Claudette, thanks so much for placing an order. I hope that you love our wraps as much as I do. I've included a free test set in case you want to practice. Enjoy having fabulous nails. Love, Rachel. And let's see right here. So right here you have the little orange stick to help with working the wraps on. You have the little fingernail file. And then let's see here. These are the colors that I chose. Let's see if we get the glare out of this. Have like little glitter in it, and it has the different little tones. What you call ombre colors. And you get 16 pieces in here. Yep. And this, I got this color right here. I thought that was fun. And this has some glimmer in it. The other one has glitter in it too as well. I'm not sure if you guys could see that. Then I got this color right here. And then she threw this one in here, which is French tips, the one I could practice with. So I just wanted to come on and share that DIY nail wraps with you guys. And then we'll see how it is. Again, if you guys know of a nice top coat that could preserve the nail wraps without shrinking them, hit me up in the comments down below. That will be greatly appreciated. And if you like what you see here today, don't forget to hit that subscribe button as well as the bell icon so you can be notified when I upload my latest video. And also give me a thumbs up. That would be greatly appreciated. Thank you guys. This is Claudette. I'll catch you guys on my next video.